This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Robin Aggers. Wow, what a great location! This is a wonderful home with finished basement that has been updated. Previous owners installed a newer roof, vinyl insulated windows, newer flooring and so much more just a few years ago. It consists of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. There is also a very large rec room with a walkout basement to a huge fenced-in backyard. The current owners have just invested in a large outbuilding garage with electricity and water that could be used as a secondary garage or workshop or even additional housing. Minutes from interstate and convenient to Turkey Creek. This one is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Aggers at 865-966-1111.